Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 59 of Quran and that is ayah number 73 of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولا تؤمنوا إلا لمن تبع دينكم قل إن الهدى هدى الله أن يؤتى أحد مثل ما أوتيتم أو يحاجوكم عند ربكم قل إن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله واسع عليم. Wow. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La is 2 counts long here. Tu'minu. For dhamma, circle your lips. But as soon as you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position and the sound should cut off right away. Mi. Focus like E sound. No will be 4 counts long and make sure you circle your lips very well. Illa, focus target E sound attached with lam and lam will be 2 counts long then. Illa, li, focus target E sound, ma, ikhfa. What 3 steps you have to take in ikhfa? You are hiding sound of noon, you're going towards the makhraj of ta and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Lima, ta, ta is short, the sound is very sharp. B for kasra, give E sound, A from your throat, tabi'a, D is 2 counts long, na short, kum for the muscle for your lips, attached with mim, you will get the sifa of the wasat. Kum, ul for the muscle for your lips, attached with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasat. Ul, in for kasra, give E sound. The sound of hamza is very sharp, attached with noon, and noon will get gunna akmal. So the sound in your nose should stay longer here. In and then for with fatha, you're attaching the sound in your with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Nal. Who for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Da 2 counts long. Who 2 counts. And this is dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Dallahi, dal will be light, but the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be heavy. Hudallah, and it is always long. Law, he. Why Lafza Jalala is heavy? Why the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is heavy? Because we are having this fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Hudallahi, he is short. I for fatha, open your jaws, and the hamza is very sharp. This sound shouldn't skip when you are giving idgham. And there is idgham with gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose and creating idgham. I for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza. Hamza will give a strong stab. The 4 counts long. A very sharp sound for fatha, open your jaws. Ha, ha. Dum for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with mim, we will get sifa of gunna, and that is a akmal gunna. the sound should stay in your nose for a longer time. Dum, meet, for kasra, give E sound attached with the will get rakhawa. Meet, the sound should flow very nicely. Meet, la is short. Ma, 4 counts long. Ooh, very sharp sound of Hamza should be there with Dhamma, and Dhamma for Dhamma, circle your lips, and that will be 2 counts long. Ooh, T, T is very sharp sound and make it 2 counts long. T, tum, for Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch me will get sipa of the wasut. Tum, ow, for fatha, open your jaws. For Hamza, give a very sharp sound, attach it to wow, and this is lean, and lean will be 2 counts long. Ow, for fatha, you have to give very nice sound for a long sound, because you have to make it 2 counts long. This sound, the total sound of lean should get 2 counts long sound. Ow, you, for Dhamma, circle your lips. Ya should be very softly pronounced. You, ha. There should be a misty sound here when you're making it 6 counts long. You, ha. In the beginning, there is a misty sound, but when when you're giving 6 counts long sound, there's only a sound. There is no misty sound because you have already pronounced ha. Now you're pronouncing madda when you are making it 6 counts long. Okay, so you ha, make it 6 counts, and then attach with jim with a number. Here, when you are stopping for 6 counts long mad, you are giving number when you're joining jim. Ha, this is jump of sound. This is jump of sound, and then you will attach strongly with jim, and then jim will be 2 counts long. Now listen how we say it. You had jukum. For Dhamma, circle your lips, and for me, give the wasaj. Ain from your throat, and there is ikhfa. You are keeping the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of dal. Ain. So dal is a light letter, so your tongue for creating ikhfa should be in a straight position. When you are saying ikhfa here, your tongue should be in a straight position. Ain, da, for dal is very sharp and short sound because there is only fatha here. There is no point to make it long. And the ra is heavy for fatha, open your jaws, attach it ba. Rabbi for kasra, give e sound. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Pull, cough is heavy. For Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. As soon you will touch lam. So the main like task is to, when you are experiencing Dhamma and there is sukoon after it, then you have to move your lips very nicely, and it should be very clearly moved. Pull for Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you are touching lam, your lips should be in a straight position and lam will get tawassut. Pull, in for kasra, give e sound, attach with noon, noon will get gunna. Akmal. So the sound of gunna should be long here. In, and then for fatha, give short sound attached with lam, lam will get tawassut. Innal, fa will get hums, and for fatha, open your jaws, attach with dod, dod will get rakhawa, and dod is heavy. Film. So when you have to create rakhawa on God, so don't leave the makhraj of God. Hold this in the makhraj and uh, bring this the flow of sound from your throat. Like it's a very, very hard and strong push from your vocal cords. Listen how we do it. Fel, 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 la, la is short. B for kasra, give E sound. Yeah, very softly. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. B, yeah, deal. For kasra, give E sound, attach a lam. And this lafz jalala will be light here because there is kasra before it. Deal. La will be two counts long. This is long by default. Like you are not making it short whatsoever. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. La, he for kasra, give E sound. You for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza. Hamza will get a very abrupt stop because this is a shidda letter and the makhraj is cutting off the sound. You, T is two counts long. He short. May idgham with gunna, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. This and this gunna where you are making idgham, the gunna is akmal. May yeah is short. Sha four counts long, and after making it four counts long, you are giving number here when you are stopping at Hamza. Yasha. Wallahu for wow. Circle your lips for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam, and make lafz jalala heavy here. Wallahu. And making it two counts long. Wallahu. Who is short. Two counts long. C for kasra, give E sound. Run, ein from your throat and give the wasat because there is ilhar. Wasi, ein from your throat for fatha, open your jaws. And li will be four counts long, and then you will get the wasat on meme because you are giving sakoon because of waq on meme. عليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.